Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on ULEFONE Armor X12. Alright, so first we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we have access into the settings. Now we need to find the chats, scroll down and click on the chat backup. Okay, and now let's begin with a few things. Let's click on the Google account first, and you can see that currently this Google account is selected. That's actually the Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of my device, and that's the account on which the backup will be made and stored in the Google Cloud. For example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. In my case, it's this one. Don't forget password to it, and don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Of course, you can click on add account to add another one and make the backup on the account that you add. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly or only when it's a backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. It's really convenient and a comfortable feature because I don't need to remember about making a backup. It will be done automatically. It's also worth enabling to include the videos in our backup. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you click on turn on, in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you lose this password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you want, you can create it, but simply don't forget it. But it's not necessary to create a backup. Okay, now make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And now simply hit on the backup button. Now the process will start. In my case it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.